Hello guys, welcome to Avotrix channel. Today we'll be exploring the Capture Dashboard app. Before going ahead and see how to use this app, let's see why we need this app. Let's say you have a dashboard which looks something like this. You have spent a fair amount of time to make it look good. So why not share the same exact looking dashboard with your clients, with your colleagues, or maybe attach it in your mail. Splunk do provide an export PDF button using which you'll be able to download a PDF which will look something like this, which is not what you have worked on and not worth sharing. So this is where this app comes into the picture. So what this app does is it allows you to add a button to your dashboard, and clicking on that button it will take a screenshot of the dashboard and download it as a PDF. So these are the steps that we'll be following. So let's get right into the steps. First step would be copying this part. Go to our dashboard, click on edit, then go to source and find your first line. It would be a form tag or dashboard tag. It doesn't matter what tag it is, just paste it in the end. Let's go back to our home page. Let's copy the next part and go to our dashboard. Let's find our end of the field set tag. If you don't have a field set tag, doesn't matter. Just find your first row tag and put it before that. So whatever you have copied must be between field set tag and row tag. Then click on save. After you save your dashboard, please give your page a refresh. Otherwise, your JavaScript won't be accessed. Once the dashboard is populated properly, you can go ahead and click on the capture button. It will take some time to process the JavaScript and download the PDF. So now we wait. There we go. Our dashboard is download PDF is downloaded. So this is how it looks. Exactly the same dashboard what you have worked on. Yeah, that's the use of this app. If you have any queries, you can mail or your queries on this mail ID, or maybe you can comment down in the video. Yeah, if you like this video, please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe and please share it with your friends or colleagues. And if you want more examples about how to edit your dashboard, click here. It will open up a page which shows how to edit your dashboard tags and form tags. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. Happy Splunking.